What's up, guys? It's Tucker from Apex and Chill, and today we're unboxing a Takeda downpipe and mid pipe for my 2017 Honda Civic EXT. So let's get to it. Let's go ahead and get started with the downpipe. I know the PRL is very good. The PRL downpipe and mid pipe are both very good, but I've had Takeda stuff in the past and I just really like their quality, so I'm going with what I know for now. Might switch it up later, but probably not. And it is completely wrapped, so I like to see that. Know that my stuff is protected on its way. So right off the bat, look at these welds. I mean, they are gorgeous. And the cat, can't really see it through there, but that is substantial. I mean, everything looks great. I can't wait to actually get it on the car, but we'll get some detailed shots, throw them in there, and you guys can see for yourself. Got instructions, installation instructions. I can't recommend that you install this yourself. We're going to, but I always recommend going to a shop if you can, just to be on the safe side. Got a little pamphlet here with more products. I don't have this particular short ram, but I have the Takeda short ram, another version of it. So. This is a warranty registration, so if something goes wrong, you know Takeda has your back, or so they say. Here is the OT sensor extension, and this looks like a bung or a cover for one of these. So we'll find out when we install, when I actually read the instructions. All right, so now we're moving on to the mid pipe. You can see the difference in size there. Obviously this is gonna hook right next to the turbo, and then it connects to this guy. So let's go ahead and open that up. So I got it out, and now once again it was protected with this medium ply, I don't know, cardboard paper, and fully encased in bubble wrap and packer's tape. So, I mean, can't do much better than that. This was a little exposed, but it seems fine. We'll find out once we open it more. But. Just looking at this also looks beautiful. I mean, the welds, we'll get some detailed shots of that, but I mean, it looks great. Has this flex mesh right here. I heard that installation on this is a little harder. Sometimes the bolts where it mounts right next to the turbo, I think these two bolts in particular can get stuck. So hopefully that doesn't happen to me or to us, but you get a lot more goodies. It comes with some hardware. So let's move this guy. It comes with another pamphlet with other Takeda or AFE power stuff, a gasket, another gasket, hardware, which I'm not going to take out because I'll lose it. License plate bracket. And instructions. And this is probably the warranty. So, I mean, with both, you're getting everything you need to install it in theory. So as long as we don't run into any issues with the bolts, it should be okay. All right, guys, that was the unboxing of the Takeda mid pipe and down pipe. I'm super excited to get these on my car. That should be happening in the next couple of weeks. If it doesn't, sometime after Christmas and New Year's, I'm not sure. A lot's gonna be going on, so until next time, peace. Fuck you, Joseph.